Students, so we have started the exercise concept check 5e based on multiplication of fractions. So the video on this two type of question was already shared with you. Today we are going to the use of multiplication in the story problems. So the first question says here, Atif used 3/4 cup of cocoa powder to make a chocolate bar. If Atif needs to make 5 chocolate bars, how much cocoa powder should he use? So for one chocolate bar he is using this much cup. Then for 5 chocolate bars he will use more or less, obviously more, because if one chocolate bar is using this much cup of cocoa powder, then he is now making 5 chocolate bars. The number of chocolate has increased, so obviously the number of cup of cocoa powder also will increase. So whenever the value increases, you have to multiply. So the value of 1 is given, you have to find the value of more, you multiply. We have learned this in unitary method also before half yearly. With the value of 1 is given, we find the value of more, we multiply. So the statement will be written like this, that for cocoa powder used for one chocolate bar is given as 3/4 cup. You have to find out the cocoa powder used for 5 chocolate bars, so that will increase. So number of cup that was given 3/4 will be multiplied by number of chocolates. So 3 into 5 by 4, 15/4. Now let us convert this into mixed fraction. 4 3 is 12, remainder 3. So the remainder will go there, it will come here. So 3/4 cups is required to make 5 chocolate bars. Okay. Number B, Vishy feeds his dog with 3/5 liter of milk every day. How much milk will Vishy give to his dog in a week? So in one day, every day means in one day, Vishy gives 3/5 liter of milk to his dog. Then in 1 week, how much is giving? So as we know, 1 week means 7 days. So first we will write that in 1 day how much is giving. Vishy feeds his dog with milk every day, 3/5 liter. Therefore he feeds his dog with milk for 7 days. Why 7 days? Because we are finding for 1 week. So it will increase, because it was for 1 day only, now it has increased to 7 days. So obviously the quantity of milk also will increase. So 3/5 multiplied by 7, 3 into 7/5, 21/5. So that has been again converted to mixed fraction. 5 4 is 20, remainder 1, 1 goes there, 5 comes here. So 4, 1/5 liter of milk is given to the dog for 1 week. So that is question number B. If I go to number C, it is again same. A tailor has used 4 1/2 meter of cloth to make gowns. Make one gown, of course. How much cloth will he need to make 5 such gowns? So because the number of gown is increased, so you will simply multiply them. You will write length of cloth used for one gown, 4 1/2 meter. Therefore length of cloth used for 5 gowns, 5 into this. Of course this one has to be converted to improper fraction first. 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9. So 9/2 multiplied by 5. I am doing the one mixed fraction type question here only. An electrician used 2 1/3 rolls of wire to do wiring in a room. Wiring in a room means putting the wires in the room. So for that, in one room this much rolls were used. There are rolls of wire, ball of wire. So 2 1/3 rolls were used for one room. Then how many wires will be required for 18 rooms? So as it is said, number of rolls of wire used for one room is 2 1/3. Let me convert into improper fraction. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7. Now we will find out for 18 wires. So from one room to 18 rooms. So obviously it will increase. So number of roll, that is 7/3 multiplied by the number of rooms. So if I take it like this, 7 into 18/3. If you see properly, 3 and 18 both are multiples of 3. So I can divide them by 3. 3 1 times gives you 3 and 3 6 times gives you 18. So 1 is coming here in the denominator, so don't write that 1 anymore. 7 6 is 42. So 42 rolls will be required for 18 rooms. One more sum I am doing here. Number F. A sweet shop owner got an order of 700 laddus, out of which 3/7 of the laddus were coconut laddus. So one sweet shop owner, the one who makes sweet, he got an order of making 700 laddus, and out of that 700 laddus he has to make 3/7 part of it coconut laddus. So if he makes 3/7 of the 700 is coconut laddus, then how many were coconut laddus? Because this is the fraction, not the number. So if you remember this question, I explained this question also. What does this mean? 4/11 or 220 means what? That if I take this much part of 220, then what is the value? That is what I am doing. So a sweet shop owner got an order of 700 laddus, and number of coconut laddus he made is 3/7 of what? Of this 700. So 3/7 of 700. That of I have already explained that this is multiplication. So 3/7 into 700. So 3 into 700 by 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 into 100 gives you 700, so 300 is 300, 3 into 100 gives you 300. That means he makes 300 laddus that are coconut laddus. So question number E and G are of same type. Supriya had 500 rupees. She gave 3 by 5 of this to her sister. Then how much she give to her sister? So you will find 3 by 5 of 500. There are 360 students, out of which 5 by 9 of the students are girls. Then how many are girls? So 5 by 9 of 360. You get your answer in that way only. So you can do the rest of the sum following the steps that I have done in these questions. In the same procedure you will do the sums. Thank you. And then next we will start the division. Thank you very much.